people, my people, my people. Come y'all, get ready with me.
Got no choice, no choice, no choice, and I'm here to let go, let go, let go, 'cause I need it. Never felt this. It's knocking on my heart. I want to run away and don't look back, go to a hiding place. I just want to free myself alive and never be the same.
Yeah. My people, my people, my people. Come y'all, get ready with me. I'm gonna head to work. I'm only doing 5 hours. I think I'm only doing 5 hours today at work. So get ready with me. How y'all doing? You know, face up with clean. So right here, I'm just using some rapid dark spot corrector because I have little dark spot on my face, and I'm just trying to correct it. Okay, y'all. So yeah, a little dark spot, and I'm using Merid, and Merid is a good brand, and he's actually a dermatologist. So yeah, good things for good skin. And I'm gonna go in with my vitamin C moisturizer. Okay, you know the face have to be moisturized because it's winter time, people, and your skin dry. Your skin dry out so easily. So I'm making sure that I'm using my vitamin C moisturizer on my face. Okay, so let me get that in. Okay, yeah, so I have a full day. So I'm planning on going to the gym after work. So let's see how that go. After moisturizing, I'll go in with a little sunscreen because baby, every single time I'm stepping outside, I put on my sunscreen. It doesn't matter if it's hot or cold or whatever it is, I still wear it. I wear this every single day. As I said, I don't go out the house without it. You know, and it's actually a moisturizer as well, but it got in sunscreen in it. So this is just another layer of moisturizing my face. Yeah, because as I said, face of the clean. You know, face has to be clean and look polished. Okay, so this is that. Look, I got work 11. I have work 11 o'clock and it's 10:20, so we need to hurry up with this. Yeah, and after that, I'm gonna put on a little bit of eye cream. You know, girl, I have dark spot underneath your eye. I do have some dark circles underneath the eye, so this lessens the appearance of your dark circles. Yeah, I would just go in with a little bit of pea size. Yeah, go in with a little bit of pea size, and you kind of you pat it. Don't rub it, just kind of pat it underneath the eye. Just some nice pat. See, just pat it underneath the eye, people. Some nice little pat underneath the eye. You know, it brightens the eye. Brightens underneath the eye. Yeah. Girl face cleaning. You see me waste time? Me waste time both these. Okay. So we're all set. Face clean. Face look very hydrating. Alright, so we're done do all of that. I'm not gonna do my face with no makeup today. I'm just gonna put a little bit of concealer underneath the eye, just to, you know, just to brighten the eye. A little bit of concealer. Yeah, just a little bit. And I'm using NYX. Yeah, I'm using NYX because I like it. So I'm gonna put a little bit underneath the eye. Just a little bit. And as I said, just tap it in. I don't ever rub anything on my face. Just tap it in. Just tap, 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 tap it in. Okay. So just tap it in. And I'm gonna put a little bit over the top as well. As I said, just to give your eyes a little brighter look. Alright. People, I have to move fast because I got to reach at work for 11 I should say. All right, so I'm gonna finish tap that in. Right, get a little closer, get a little closer. Finish tap that in. Okay, and I'm going in. I'm not doing a whole face, but I like to put on a little bit of liquid eyeliner, and this is from Elf. Yeah, because Elf product them cheap. Yeah, Elf is affordable, people. So I think it's just $5 for this. Yeah, I like the sound of $5. So yeah, so I'm just putting a little bit of eyeliner. Just to make the item look open because it's early, and I'm not usually waking up so early, but for this week I have early shifts, so yeah. So we're going in with the Bath and Body Works, and I love the vanilla romance. So yeah, because girl like to smell good, yeah. Girl like to smell real good. Then I'm gonna go with the cocoa butter rich moisture from Bath and Body Works as well. So yeah, skin dry, girl, skin dry. But no, don't listen to the sound. Do not listen to the sound of my lip, of my hands, I should say. Damn, my lips look so good. Like, yeah. Because as I said, people, it's winter. It's the winter time, and his skin dry out easily. So don't listen to it. It sounds rough. Oof. Sound rough. That don't look cute. Not that cute for me. So now I'm gonna go, I do the oil, and I'm gonna go with the Mineral Stone Spa from Bath and Body Works as well. I love this. It smells so good. It smells like you just step out of the spa, for real, for real. It's nice. I love those essential oils and stuff in it. It's very cute. Very nice. Very demure. Very demure. Yeah, so just put it up here, you know. Sometimes you see your bestie and they want to hug, they smell that nice essential oil behind the ears. Yeah. Yeah, so girl skin look nice and smooth now. Yeah. Chest. Yeah, skin look clean. Yep. Yeah, skin look moisturized. Yeah. Wear my big palazzo pants, cause girl wear all black everything every single day to work. You know, yeah. Yeah, let me put on my gloves. If you don't jump when you put on your pants, or if you put on your jeans, that means you're not thick enough. This is thick girl problems. Period. Yeah. You have to jump 3 times to get up in those jeans. Like, thick girls problem, people. Oh, look at the glow. She's glowing. Her face is so clean. Her skin clean. Yeah. Heart clean. Yeah. Okay. All right. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Drop this on. Look here. So I don't like wearing nails, you know. Cute and curly. It's cute. Love it. And I'm going in with my Tory Burch earring, or whatever that girl said on TikTok. What she said? I don't even remember what her name is, but Jaden girlfriend on TikTok. She said Tory Burke. So let's put in our Tory Burch earring. Yeah. Yeah. Nice. Cute. See that? Nice and cute. Put back this perfume. So I'm gonna go in with my Billy because I use my vanilla romance for my body spray, and you know Billy is just pure vanilla. So vanilla on vanilla. Yep. And I said people get behind the ears and get your neck back. Yeah. Yep. It smells good. Oh, I do all of that and then I put on my. So this is Shea Moisture. I love it, and it's the coconut and hibiscus, and it's a fresh scent. So this is what I use. I love it, and it stays on all day. So rub, rub, rub. You know, you have to have proper hygiene, people. It's 2025. Smell good. Yeah. And this is that. Neck piece, smell good, skin clean, moisturize, hair in the bun, face card never declined, so pretty, so smooth. Yeah. Hey y'all, what's poppin'? So I'm back from work. I'm back. I just left work. So I went inside the mall and I picked up some American deli. I'm gonna head to the gym, but first I'm gonna eat some wings. I know y'all gonna say I'm eating wings and going to the gym, but you cannot work out on a hungry belly. That's not gonna work for me. It's not gonna work. So I'm gonna eat my 10 pieces of lemon pepper wings, and then I'm gonna head to the gym. So people, you have to balance it out. I have an Ensure. I have an Ensure right here. I have an Ensure, and this called Balance. Yeah, so when I finish eating wings, I'm gonna drink the Ensure, and that's a balanced meal. And then I'm gonna head to the gym and work this all off. You know, so it's not defeating the purpose. It's making sure you have enough strength. You have enough strength to lift the weights. Period.
No choice, and I'm here to let go, 'cause I need it. Never felt this. It's knocking on my heart. I want to run away and don't look back, but to hide in place. I just want to free myself alive and never be the same girl. But I can't escape another paper, and I have to work tonight 'cause I'm late work. Hey, I want to run away and don't look back. I want to run away and don't look back. Got no choice, and I'm here to let go, 'cause I need it. Never felt this. It's knocking on my heart. I want to run away and don't look back, but to hide in place.
So nice. So yeah, let's go work out now. So yeah, that was good. I had some dressing right here. I had some ranch, but I just like to eat my wings just like that. I don't like a whole lot of thing on it. So that was that. Okay. Put that right here. I'll take it up later. And see, I got my gym bag right here, where I'm gonna get changed when I reach. Yeah. And I get my Ensure here. But the thing is, I cannot eat and drink at the same time. And right after I finish eat, I can't drink right after. It's like, I don't know. I have to leave my food for a little bit for it to sink in, you know, like settled. And then about like 10 to 15 minutes after, I'll have a drink. So this is a thing that I'm going to use to balance out my wings, because remember, we are dealing with balance. Wings, Ensure, and the gym. Balance. I think they have a song out there that says balance, something like that. So we're dealing with balance today. So I got I think it's 18 minutes drive. 18 minutes drive to the gym. So yeah, I'm all set because I'm full now, and by the time I reach the gym, my food settles so I can work out. And all I'm doing is legs. Like, for most part, whenever I do go to the gym, all I do is legs, because I love when the legs be looking like, you know, snatch. I love just the muscles in the legs, and it just looks so good. So every single time I go, it's just all legs I do. So yeah, so it's not too much on the upper body, it's just down here. So I'll see you when I get to the gym. I'll see you so y'all can see me working out all that wings. All right, see you soon. So guys, I just reached at the gym. Yeah, so I'm gonna get that workout in. Yeah, work on those legs, period. We're gonna get the legs well toned, because you know the summer is coming up, even though it's January. But look, we're keeping positive and we're looking further ahead. So we're working that summer body starting in January. We're working on it. So yeah, just got here. Let me show you my fit. Let me turn this camera. Yeah, so check the fit out. Yeah. Yep. Yeah. So we're gonna get these legs well toned. Yeah. So we're ready. You see? Look at this. The wings are not even showing. I told y'all, balance. We're gonna have, everything is about balance, right? We're gonna eat, we're gonna work out, and everything will balance out itself. Yeah, so let's go work out. First, I'm gonna hit, I don't even know what I'm gonna hit first, but let's see. Come along. Yeah. Yes, people, health is wealth. Yeah, so we gotta stay healthy. Yeah, girl, stay good. Girl, look nice. Girl, look nice. Girl, gym fit is like 10 out of 10. Yeah, period. Yeah, I like the pink. The pink is pinking right now. Yeah, so let's go work out. press right now, because remember that we're doing like leg press, and we're working on our legs because in the summer we have to shape good for the bikini, because you know we're gonna have a lot of festivities coming up during the summertime, and yeah, we have to get our legs well up to par. So as y'all can see, I'm working out. Yeah, because what? Fitness is wealth. So yeah, I'm telling you, everybody's looking at me at the gym like, why this girl like filming every single thing, and she's doing the less work here, but I'm still sweating. I'm still sweating nonetheless, right? I'm still sweating. So yeah. So people, the workout is going on just fine. I'm lifting I think it's 45 weights. That's heavy. Yeah, that's heavy. Well, that's heavy for me. So yeah. Okay, so let's continue. See my process throughout the day. I'm telling you, I feel so good already. Like, yeah, I like the way I feel. You know, I can feel the burning sensation in my legs. Yeah, I'm sweating, but y'all not seeing the sweat though. But I'm actually sweating. Yeah, because I'm actually doing a lot. You know, I'm so proud of myself because I gotta get this laziness out of my body. Like, I need to come here more often. So yeah, I feel good that I'm actually doing this right now. So I'm still on the leg press. I'm still doing some leg press because remember, we're working on the legs, people. We're working on the legs. We're working on the summer body already. Well, you know, carnival season is coming up, people, so we have to be prepared. Yeah. So I'm gonna do 50. I think I'm gonna do some squats and in between squats and some legs. So people, this is where the hard work comes in. These stairs, let me tell you, these stairs is no joke. It's no joke, people. As I said, these stairs are no joke. This is gonna be like the hardest part of my workout. But there's no, like, I'd be sweating in like 2 seconds time, and I'll be sweating. Trust me. It's hard as ever. So let's go. I'm gonna do 15 minutes up the stairs. 15 minutes up the steps. I'm gonna do 15 minutes. And then I'm gonna be home. I'm gonna head home after this. Yeah. It was a nice little workout today. Feel good. It was a good day. I can proudly say it was a good day. It's been a good day so far. I woke up, went to work. Had some wings. Then I'm working it all off. Yeah, such a productive day. Such a productive day. Thank you all for watching my vlog. So that is it for today. I'm gonna head home now. So yeah, thank you all for watching my vlog, and